we conduct and you conduct those operations. After conducting those operations, those people you are saying they are documented, they are not supposed to be even documented at the very same time. The Asylum say they are here to study, but they're owning shops.
Yes.
The Asylum. Yes. I was there. I'm the one person who's always there when there is these operations. I was arrested for fighting the injustices of the very same South African system. The very same thing that you are telling us. These people who are running these businesses, they are not even supposed to be running those businesses. Let me ask you a simple question. According to the immigration law, you have to have 5 million for you to run a business. Are you telling me these tuck shops, each and every person that owns a tuck shop, a spaza shop, they actually have 5 million? No, it's because it's an organized syndicate of Ethiopians, Pakistanis, and Bangladeshis and Ethiopians. Now, the problem is that you as police, you interdict us as activists so that we cannot fight for these people. This is the problem we have with you, because you are interdicting us so that you can continue with your corruption. I can attest to that, because I've always worked with all the operations that are happening around South Africa. I'm always there. But the problem we have is that even in Tanota, those people are not supposed to be running those puzzle shops. Banama asalamu bayashuti, they are here to study. Maruna una 65 umuntu akona. Uzofunda una 65. Ayashkenu kudala ngabantu South Africa. All these shops are not supposed to be running. Their permits are fake. Their permits are fake. I can attest to that. Their permits, all of these shops around Tsakani, Tutuza, Kwatema, they are only here because you guys are taking bribes from there. And another thing, let me tell you something. No, listen. The problem is that your very own police are giving them our addresses so that they can come and assassinate us. Let me tell you something, okay? You see, most of these leaders which are here, they've already been targeted already. Yes. We can wake up tomorrow and we can hear something else, because Nina Futi Mapoisa, you're going to target these very same people. Because abantu bakho laba basebenza la, ibona abathatha imali kulabantu. Kumanje. Yabona kumanje. Bongune operation ekhona ngithi around Tsakani and Tutuza kwaTsatuza. Most of those shops uqinisile leadership zivuliwe. Zivulwa bobani? Okay, I know and understand ukuthi we cannot deal with those protection free guys asibasabi. Le into kumele bayazi. Akekho umuntu osatshiwe. Okwamanje sisayenza phase 1. We are not going to sit back and watch you guys kill us. That's what you should know. The whole country should know that. Our brothers have been killed. Sebo Mwelase died because of you, police. In Kwatema. He was killed because of you. The information that was given to our hitmen was given by our police. And our hitmen, Batina Sebabanji, were the very same police went and killed those hitmen. We know that. And the intermillennials, Yabona Manja, Joba Sichu, Mtaga 15. After that, phase 2. Amen.